Imagine working as a pharmacist in one of the world's most glamorous cities, where luxury meets world-class healthcare. Yes, we're talking about Dubai. But before you can practice here, you need to pass an exam to obtain a license. Welcome back to Academically, your guide to building a successful career in global healthcare. Now, Dubai is not just about skyscrapers and luxury living. It's also a hub for your professional growth. Competitive salaries, exciting career opportunities, all are there for you. And in this video, we're going to guide you through every step of the process to make your dream career a reality. But first, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates on healthcare careers and licensing guidance. Coming to the eligibility criteria, before applying for the DHA exam, candidates must meet specific eligibility requirements. You must hold a Bachelor of Pharmacy, Master of Pharmacy, or Doctor of Pharmacy, PharmD degree. And in addition, you need at least 2 years of work experience in a hospital or a retail pharmacy. Another essential requirement is being a registered pharmacist in your home country as well. These criteria ensure that only qualified and experienced professionals can enter Dubai's healthcare system. The first step is preparing all the necessary documents, and these include your academic transcripts, your work experience certificates, a passport-sized colored photograph, a copy of your passport, and pharmacist registration certificate from your home country. Don't forget your certificate of good standing, and all your documents must be accurate, complete, and attested as required. Any missing or incorrect paperwork can delay the application process. Step 2 is creation of a Sheryan account. This account serves as your personal portal to submit documents, track your application, schedule your exam, and monitor your results. Think of it as your dashboard for the entire licensing process. Now, once your account is ready, the next step is primary source verification, also called the DHA Dataflow. The step verifies your educational qualifications and employment history directly from their sources, and after applying, you will receive a DHA Dataflow reference number and login credentials to track your verification status. Your eligibility for the exam depends on the outcome of this verification. After successful verification, you can schedule your DHA Pharmacist Exam. This exam assesses your knowledge of pharmacy practice, ethics, and professional skills required to work safely in Dubai. And on the exam day, make sure to arrive early and carry a valid ID. Delays or problems with identification can result in dismissal, so careful preparation is very important. Once the exam is completed, the results are released online through your Sheryan account. The passing percentage is 60%, and candidates who pass become eligible to apply for their DHA pharmacist license, which is the final requirement to legally practice in Dubai. Now, to summarize, becoming a licensed pharmacist in Dubai involves 5 key steps: preparing your documents, creating a Sheryan account, completing DHA Dataflow verification, taking the DHA exam, and receiving your exam results and applying for your license. By following these steps carefully, you can successfully obtain your DHA pharmacist license and start a rewarding career in one of the world's most dynamic healthcare environments. Now, if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more academic and career-focused videos on global healthcare licensing and professional development. Your path to becoming a licensed pharmacist in Dubai starts here. I'll see you in the next one.